Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the select command in SQL and in Spark Scala. Okay, so you can see this is a table. This is a data employee table, and you can see these are the data, and you can see the output here. So here we are going to learn how to select in SQL and how to do it in Scala. Okay. So let me first run this one. You can see the output is already available here, and if we need to run in SQL, first what we need to do, we need to create a temp view. Okay, so we have already created this temp view for SQL. So df.create or replace temp view, the table name is employee. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to select from this employee table. So we need to run spark.sql, and under this we need to run select star from. First we are going to select whole table. Okay, select star from emp. So here let me do show, and then let me run it. You can see it's running, and you can see select in SQL, you can see whole data is here. Okay, so if we need to select some specific data, suppose we need to select employee ID and employee name, then what we need to do, so again spark.sql, and then again under double quote we need to uh, select empid and name. Okay, from table emp, and then we need to run a show. Okay, so let me run that one. So you can see it's you can see the employee ID and name is selected. Okay, so this is in SQL. So if we need to do the same thing in Scala, how to do that? So for that we have converted this data to a data frame, and you can see we have a df. Okay, so when we did df.show, then you can see this is the output data. So if we need to select the whole things, then we need to like df.select, and under select we need to get the whole things. Okay, so what we need to do, star. Okay, then show. Let me run that. Under Spark Scala you can see the whole table will be coming. df.show, df.select, show something missed here. So let me do again. df.select, and then double quote, there is star and dot show. Okay, let me run that again. You can see a Spark in Scala, you can see whole output is here. And suppose we need to select employee ID and name, how we will do that? So df.select, again we'll do select, and under double quote we'll write empid. Okay, and then command, then again name. Okay, and then here dot show function. So you can see employee ID and employee name. So you can see the output is employee ID and employee name, and it's under Spark Scala. Okay, you can see Spark Scala, and before that we did that the same things on SQL. Okay, so now you can understand the difference between how we can run it in SQL and how we can run same things in Spark Scala. Okay, same things we can do in Python also. So here I am working on Scala only. So in the next video I will explain how to work in Python. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe whole playlist. Thank you.